Houston, we have a problem.
Hello there.
Pizza time.
What would I do without you?
What would I do without you?
What would I do without you?
Everything.
What would I do without you?
What would I do without you, Spock?
What would I do without you?
I can't thank you enough.
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 Leslie, I can't thank you enough.
Can't thank you enough for everything, okay?
Well, I can't thank you enough, Mr.
Oh, forget it.
Earl, I can't thank you enough!
Okay. Thanks a bunch. Thanks a bunch.
Thanks a bunch, Sandy.
Thanks a bunch.
How am I supposed to get...
Thanks a bunch.
You're a good man, Joe. Thanks a bunch.
How can I ever repay you?
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 I'll never forget this.
I'll never forget this.
Never forget this.
I'll never forget it.
Well, you saved my life. I'll never forget this, kid.
I'll never forget this.
Oh, I'll never forget it either.
I shall never forget it.
I'll never forget it. Abby, you rock.
You rock.
Me as well.
You rock.
And you rock.
You rock, Candace. You rock, Glenn.
Thanks, Billy. You rock.
No, you rock. When are you gonna drop Magnum on us, buddy?
You rock.
Much appreciated. Oh,
Thanks, Deucey. Much appreciated.
Appreciated, Eggsy.
Well, it's much appreciated.
much appreciated.
Yeah.
Much appreciated.
My pleasure.
Much appreciated.
You should have.
Oh, please. Special gift for a special lady.
We all got you a little something, and this is from all of us.
You shouldn't have.
Oh, you shouldn't have.
You shouldn't have.
Shouldn't have. Stacy.
Earl, you shouldn't have.
She shouldn't have.
You read my mind.
You read my mind.
You read my mind.
You read my mind.
Thanks. You read my mind. You read my mind. Thanks.
My mind. You read my mind.
Thanks for everything, really.
Thanks for everything.
Thanks for everything.
Thanks for everything.
Thanks for everything, Harry.
Right. Thanks for everything.
Hey, man, thanks for everything.
Thanks for everything, Teddy.